Hi everyone, it's Paula. So I'm back for another video of my stationery haul from Japan. So this time I'll be having this video about my haul from Travelers Company. So here, so I was able to go to their main store in Nakameguro station. Last year I was able to go to Tokyo or Marunouchi station, but I was not that fan of Traveler's Notebook yet. But starting late last year, I was able to try a few of the refills, and I'm glad it's matched with my, or it's okay with my fountain pens. That's why I bought few items from their Nakameguro store. So let's start with the regular size Traveler's Notebook. So here, I was able to use it immediately after buying it because I needed to put stamps from their store. So I got a blue leather cover and immediately decorated it with tickets, stickers, and receipts that I got from my Tokyo trip. So here, of course, this set includes already the leather cover, one blank refill, and this cotton bag here, and I think a connecting rubber band. So if you're planning to put another refill in your leather cover, you can use this one. And of course, I was able to get free extra bands from their store. Yeah, it's limited color for this year. Oh, I mean 2019 to 2020. So it's a connecting rubber band. It's for free. I got it for free. So I was able to like purchase their minimum amount to get this free item. And then let's go to refills. Of course, aside from getting a blank refill from the regular kit, I was able to get the dot grid. So here it's number 26. Well, they have a lot of refills from their store, but I'm into getting blank, grid, dot grid, watercolor refills, and sketch paper only. So I was able to get sketch paper refill, which is 48 pages, and it's perforated. So it means I can tear it off if I don't like my drawing, but I don't do that because sayang yung papel eh. Usually kasi I get my refills from Scribe or online stores, but sometimes there are refill variants that are not that available, like this sketch paper. I usually see the blank, the dot grid and grid lang sa Scribe and other online stores, and I rarely see also the watercolor paper refill, which is number 27. So yeah, so I was able to snag 2 lang ito. Initially I planned getting a lot of the watercolor paper since I've been doing urban sketching, pero I decided to like get sketch paper because mas makapal siya, and I think watercolor works with this kind of paper as well. And I asked the salesperson inside the store if it works with watercolor? Sabi niya, oo daw. So, tsaka mas marami kasi yung pages nito. It's 48 pages, as if you can see. So, compare dito sa watercolor paper. But we'll see. I have to like compare the sketch paper and the watercolor paper refill. Pero yun nga, mas madami kasi nito. So daming pages. So I have to like hoard this na lang instead of the initially planned watercolor paper. And then I got the spiral ring notebook in basic size. So yan. So it's 20 sheets in 40 pages, so back to back na siya. And the good thing with stationeries in Japan, whatever store you go, well, especially the specialty stores like Travelers Company, they have sample notebooks that is open for customers to like check or hold or feel the paper. So in their store kasi, every refill and notebook merong naka-open na notebook na para matest or mahawakan. And may mga sample artworks na rin doon para mas alam ng customers what to buy or what is more suitable to their needs. So, pero kahit hindi ito yung tester notebook or yung sample notebook nila, you can actually like open it. Ganito kasi sobrang ganda ng packaging. So, you can actually feel and see already the paper. So, wala nang problem. Parang, okay, ito yung kailangan ko paper. Bibili mo na siya agad. Hindi ka parang magdadalawang isip and you don't have to like Google on the spot some reviews or some description of the product para lang mabili mo siya. Pero in their specialty stores in stationeries in Japan, usually lagi silang may open notebook para matest. Pwede kang mag-test talaga din ng pen dun. So ayan, it's really good for urban sketching. So it's my first time using this size because I usually use notebooks in portrait. So, first time ko gumamit ng landscape. And also, I also got the portrait version of this one, which is the A5 Slim. Medyo malapit siya sa size ng PN regular. So, it's also 20 pages, 40 pages if back-to-back kung gagamitin. And the packaging is also like that. I think it's more on hot press if we are speaking in watercolor painting terms. So, mas smooth siya, mas okay mag-details. Here. I think I'm gonna use it with gouache and watercolor paper. And lastly, I was able to get washi tape. So, there. The washi tape has the design of different train lines of the subway system in Tokyo. So sometimes I don't remember the names of the train line. I'm only working color coded. So pag sinabing green line or pink line, si green line is Chiyoda pala, si Asakusa is pink line. Anyway, so what took me so long from their store is actually like getting stamps. Actually, it's for free if you are able to like get anything from their store. So there's a stamp station there, and there's a pad, blank pad there. So if you want to use your journal on the spot, you can stamp on your journal, newly bought journal. But if you don't want to use it yet, just like me, I was able to use the blank notepad beside the stamp station. So they have different stamp designs. They're actually, well, Travelers Company branding is more on vintage, travel, camping. So actually nagustuhan rin siya ng boyfriend ko. Hindi siya mahilig sa art stuff, but nagustuhan niya yung ibang items like the multi-use pen. Yung merong stylus na pen, may ruler. I'm not sure, but it's made of brass. And I think mahilig kasi siya sa scouting, sa camping. That's why nagustuhan niya. I'm not sure if he was able to buy it. So here are some of the stamps from the stamp station of their store. So if you can see, punit na yung iba kasi dinidikit ko siya sa journal ko as of now. Yan. Different colors din yung ink nila. So here's a stamp from, well, it's a collaboration with Elite. Well, Elite bookstore is my favorite bookstore from Taiwan. So I was able to visit a lot of Elite branches from Taiwan for 2 years that I've been traveling to Taiwan. So it's my favorite store. I miss Taiwan na rin. So here, ayan. So those are just few of the items that I was able to stamp with. Anyway, so that's it. So you'll be seeing next time in my post using those stuff that I bought from the Travelers Company. And see you in the next video. Before I can forget, I'm going to share where you can find the Travelers Factory. So I was able to get their card. It's there. So I was able to go to Nakameguro Tokyo Station. Not yet with the Narita Airport. So if you want to see the quaint house or the cute house, it's in Nakameguro. So here's the direction. And there you go.